Alright guys, I've got another project this evening out here in the shop. I've got this 2002 Jetta with the ALH TDI in it, and I've been battling a check engine light for the last few months with it. It keeps telling me that it's got a bad glow plug, but glow plug's not bad. I bought a new one, put it in there, and then shuffled them all around just to make sure it wasn't misdetecting which cylinder it was on. But the check engine light, it was intermittent at first, but for the last month or so, it comes on every single time I start the car. It says the glow plug in cylinder number 4 is bad. And it's pretty common for the glow plug wiring harness to go bad, so I went ahead and purchased a new one of those, and we'll go ahead and document installing that tonight. Yeah, as you can see, I've got a brand new wiring harness here, and I got several feet of wire, and then this 4-wire plug right here on the end. And the glow plugs are right here underneath the cover. The wiring harness travels underneath the battery and battery tray, underneath the airbox, and up through this conduit gutter right here. Alright, as you can see right here, we've got this exposed now. This is our wiring harness right here that we're going to be replacing. Okay, as you can see, the old wiring harness is free now, and this was wrapped in standard like PVC electrical tape. And what we're going to do is we're going to upgrade that a little bit and wrap it in a cloth tape, more like the wiring harness that's here. What I got right here, I bought this off of Amazon. It's this U-Glue Outdoors fabric tape, and it says it doesn't leave any residue behind. It's waterproof, and I've actually never used this before on wiring, so I'm going to go ahead and try it. Alright, we got our new wiring harness all wrapped up here with the cloth tape, and we're going to go ahead and fish the old one out and feed the new one in. Alright, that's it for now. We're going to go ahead and fire up the car and make sure the check engine light doesn't come back on. And that's it. She's been running for several minutes now and no check engine light. So it looks like that wiring harness was our problem.